Maybe join the brother. Joined. Hello, brother. How are you?
I'm also
Living. Oh, join the brother also living.
uh, conversation.
Brother, your work responsibility.
Brother, my work responsibility is first of all properly calculate our per days gas and chemical consume report and properly take inventory management uh, and our daily shortage and daily demanded gas and chemical from our yarn and fabric dye. And short list are provide our supply chain management department and also communicate with our supply chain and production division. And uh, it was you think we are a service provider. We are a service provider and we are uh, backward linkage or link build up a link with um, production and supply chain.
Uh, Maybe you are also link up of whole department. Uh, Also chemical. Uh, all over fabric dyeing, finishing, all everything. You
Uh,
uh,
because,
just follow
I
up. Maybe.
follow up and I um, gather some knowledge from dyeing, finishing, washing, and ELA. And I think this knowledge and this I think this knowledge is helpful for me uh, in future to my career
Mm,
on merchandising.
yeah, yeah. Brother, you maybe properly understand chemical properly, or also no
Uh, Not
chemical
100%,
composition.
but not 100%, but I will understand. Not 100%, but I also understand 75 to 80% plus. Uh, which chemical and
Mm,
which chemical and which guys are used for those uh, perception and uh, many other color as like white and other critical color anthracite, daisy, and those types are dyed fabric are dyeing
mm,
mm, dyeing process all over time. Uh,
mm. Good, but I think your BSc major subject weight processing. That's a very good.
my BSc major subject is apparel manufacture and technology, and it is for you can take it is merchandising and IE. IE
Also
and
garments production department and
yes, yes, IE, IE quality and merchandising all over.
garment section also apparel industry, but weight processing also chemical dyes everything. Weight processing I think very difficult for chemistry related uh,
But actually, for
study.
uh, all over textile sector, weight processing are too much, uh, too much earning source and too much difficult sector in. whole over textile rather than uh, ER, ER engineering, fabric engineering, and apparel engineering.
Apparel engineering is very easy, but weight processing, also fabric engineering is difficult, but most of the difficult is apparel, not, no apparel, weight processing engineering.
Weight processing are rather than more
I
difficult.
think this sector,
Yes,
what was this, maybe uh, textile industry also, boutique student also available. Uh, this
yeah.
sector, chemical also ties this sector, washing.
Butex, Butex
You,
have
your
potential. Alumni are very strong, more than our other universities.
yeah. Now apparel industry also, another BGM, some merchandising sector also BGM student also uh, big, but uh, textile industry also few student job also, uh, textile industry. I
That's
think
really
textile
sad.
industry is very difficult. So all forces also big. Not also a few. Apparel industry also just little process are. Textile industry also big process. I just internship maybe 4 day or 5 day. Also this time I just see uh, helper also very smart, or whole chemical also understand, and chemical properties, this chemical color dye, and I, I don't know, uh, it is possible.
What,
I
why,
study 4 year, but I don't know, but he also understand properly.
why are you intern? Which factory?
Pretty Composite Limited.
Pretty composite.
Yeah,
Uh,
actually, yeah.
yeah. Uh, I have the intern in my diploma, 2061. Sorry, 20, in 2016 uh, at Kulabari Slum Group. Uh,
Uh,
that's owner is Mr. Atikul Islam, ex-president of BCME and ex-mayor of Dhaka North City Corporation.
oh,
And I have take some knowledge
oh,
of weaving, and uh, yeah,
mm, good. But my internship time also I learn more than I department. I department also, manager are also very mm, good. Uh, he also a lot of tease uh, our team. Maybe 2 day also I am also whole day working uh, I department, and line balancing capacity, all our also, I also understand fabric consumption also, this I department internship that time. Or another department, I don't know properly understand, also textile department boutiques uh, uh, available at this time also, don't care for our team diploma holder, also avoid.
yeah. Are you take dinner?
Hello, brother.
Hello. Are you
Brother,
getting
I
me?
don't listen. Uh, yes, yes.
Shall I take dinner? Or are you take dinner?
Mm,
Are you take dinner?
I, I, I don't understand.
Are you hearing me clearly?
Yes,
Hello.
yes. Clearly, I listen your voice.
Uh, are you take dinner?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
I am also uh, done my dinner. You?
No, brother. Uh, I come from my office at 9:15, and I take my shower and some rest, and then I join in English class with you. And
Oh,
that's
brother,
that's
your
it.
section of shipment duty.
Yes, my responsibilities shifting duty, and my working hour is uh, weekly, uh, each week, uh, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and other week, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m.
What, also two shift or three shift?
Two shifts.
Two shift. Oh.
Yeah.
Brother, your home district?
Uh, already, already I told you. My home district is Nalgons, and currently I live in my
Oh,
home, Nalgons, and there's
oh,
and
your
this home.
village also Nara.
Yes, uh,
Good. It is good opportunity. You also start a business, all everything easily. So you also local flower this district.
no brother. Uh, 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 I have the local. This is my advantage. Some of the advantages might just uh, mm, I might just
Hi all, how are you
I
today?
might uh, I was like, oh, ma'am,
Uh,
we're fine.
Fine.
Walaikum salam. Yeah, actually, I just hiddenly watching a video and your conversations, and yeah, I'm really sorry for interrupt. Actually,
No,
daily English speaking practice will help you overcome hesitations and you stop freezing when you speak. So I have seen that you all are doing very good job. Even you have very good daily conversations which you are doing in your practical life. So that is quite good. So yesterday
thank you.
also I was joined very hiddenly, and sometimes I quietly join the class to see how you are practicing, and I'm really happy to see that you all of that been trying your best to keep it up. So you are improving day by day. It's make it very better even. So carry on everyone. Actually, I'm not gonna to join class today. I'm just observing how you are practicing in class. So maybe I will be leave, but it's good to see that you are trying. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Mm, yeah, brother.